today is the 30th of June 2009, and Nellie is riding her horse, and she's going to say yeehaw. Gonna do it, Nellie? Yeehaw! Go on. Oh, she's shy. She was doing it all by herself before, which is why I got out the camera. Got anything to say, Nellie? Alright. Is that it? Yeehaw?
Yeehaw.
Good girl. Yay.